Sin makes its own hell, and goodness makes its own heaven. This quote was given by Mary Baker Eddy. Good evening. I am Kushagra Sarupriya. I am currently pursuing engineering with specialization in electronics and communication engineering. I like to share my views on the importance of ethics and values in a person's life, considering the fact that today some people have forgotten how to behave. Life is all about how we deal with the situation it throws at us. It depends on how we treat others. Compassion and humbleness are all that counts. A person is not matured when he earns money and fame, but he is when he inculcate good values and treat everyone with utter simplicity without any arrogance or any type of grudge in his mind. He is mellowed when he has love in his heart for everyone he meets, when he has no hatred or when he has no sense of rivalry in him. Of course, competition is very important for a person's development, but it should not trigger the feeling of jealousy and hatred for someone. A person should learn how to acknowledge others. A person should know how to appreciate people when they do something remarkable, or even if they try to do something good, no matter they succeed or fail. Because when you don't participate in someone's success, how can you expect that you will get greetings or maybe sometimes sympathy from them? Yes, this all what makes life beautiful. This is all that makes it worth living. You might encounter people who earns a lot, who earns a tremendous amount of money, and maybe yes, tremendous amount of money, but lack humanity. This fame, wealth does not make him a successful person because people don't see how rich you are, but they see how you treat them. These value can make you. These values can make you, and sometimes it can break you. It can break you when you don't know how to live life, how to treat others. Life is like a Newtonian law. Like everyone knows about Newton's third law, right? It says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is what life is. The only difference between the Newtonian law and life law is we say this Newtonian law as physics and this life's law as karma. Sometimes people say it as karma and sometimes people say it as karma. Life is all about giving without expecting anything in return. Life is all about treating everyone with humbleness and kindness, even if they don't reciprocate the same feelings and the same nature towards you. This is where this is where karma comes into play. When you're gentle and kind towards people selflessly, they will learn that those people will learn one day that who you are and they will respect you. They will know you and they will understand you. Also, they will support you because they know that they owe you. Like I said, kindness and love can melt a rock. It can inflict the feeling of care and gentleness in a person. It can change a person. This karma has very deep meaning, and once someone learns the truth and the meaning of karma, he becomes a pure soul. He develops himself and becomes the true person he is. Trust me onto this. This all happens when you learn moral values and ethics and the way of dealing with people. Everyone, no matter if he is of different caste, creed, and color, deserves to be respected and treated like a human. Real success is not how much you earn and how many people are there with you, supporting you, not because you promise them to pay something in return. But real success is how many people stays with you without expecting any promises like that. Success is when people respect you, not when they fear you, or not when they feel oppressed or inferior. It all depends on your ethics and values and how we behave with others. So, I like to say that a person should watch his actions. Thank you.